Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, it's Dodge here, back for another episode. I'm here on the Play Minecraft server, playing some survival games on apparently this map, and I'm really slow today, all the clickings. Got him, run. Oh. Yes, keep going. Hides. Hiccups. Battling people, slightly easy. Battling Hiccups is the worst. Oh. Let's prove the fact that Nah. I give up. I'm very persistent in my ways, as you can probably tell. To get down to the next level. Let's go around here, maybe there's an entrance. No, guess not. Come on. Hit me, you hit yourself, sir. Oh. Well, GG, thank you for watching. I blame Hiccups. Nah, I'm just bad. I didn't see the guy behind me. I should have probably been looking. Thank you for watching. This has been Dodge. See you guys next time. Bye.